Hello good people, greetings from Ngramium Plus, your go-to partner for everything from web development and customization to support and optimization. Hi, this is Aaron. Welcome back to the e-commerce series. In today's video, I will show you how to create a simple product on WooCommerce. So without any further ado, let's get started. To create the simple product in WooCommerce, first we will head over to the WordPress dashboard. So let's go to the dashboard. So as it's a WooCommerce tutorial, I believe you have already installed and activated the WooCommerce plugin. So if you don't have installed the WooCommerce plugin yet, I will put the link in the video description so you will get the step-by-step tutorial on how to install and activate the WooCommerce plugin. So after activating the WooCommerce plugin, we'll have the product section. There will say all products. So as you can see, I have already have products. Now I will show you how to create a simple product. To do that, we will click add new product. In here, we will give a title, magnetic dart board. After that, we'll put some description. In order to generate some description, we can use ChatGPT. So let's go to the ChatGPT. So we will ask in here to generate some description. For example, give me a simple description for magnetic dart board. It will be an WooCommerce product. So as you can see, the product description has been generated. You can use this description, but from my personal experience, I would recommend to make some changes from your own personal preference. So for now, I will copy this one. I will paste it in here. After that, from the product data, we will select simple product. Now we will set the price. First, let's configure the regular price 45. Now, if we would like to give the sales price, let's configure the 40. It will be the sale price. After that, we'll have the inventory. From here, we can configure the SKU. We can configure the UPC, EAN. We can configure the stock management. Let's configure this one. Quantity 1, allow back orders. Let's allow back orders. Low stock threshold. Let's configure 21. If you would like to sold our product individually, we can configure this one. Let's configure and check this checkbox. Now at any point, if you would like to learn more about what is SKU and what is UPC and so on, we will just hover over this SWOT icon and it will describe what actually SKU is. So for now, we have configured the inventory. After that, we will have the shipping. We can configure the weight. We can configure the dimension, length, height, and so on. And we have the shipping class as well. There will be a separate video on the shipping. So subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'd never miss the upcoming videos. So after that, we will able to link our products for upsell and cross sell. For that, let's go to our all products and let's copy the title from here and we will paste it in here. So this will be our upsell products, and for the cross sell products, let's configure this one and we will copy this product title. So let's copy this one and paste it in here. The select, this is the product. We will configure the cross sell product. So after that, we'll have the attributes. As it's a simple product, we don't need to configure the attributes for now. So we'll leave it as it is. After that, advanced, if you would like to show some purchase note, we can do that from here as well. For example, thank you for purchasing the dart board. menu order, we don't need to configure this one. We can enable the review or disable this one as well. After that, we will have the get more options. From here we will able to install and get the more extension as well, but it's not required or it's not mandatory, so we will not go to in there. After that, we will have the product short description. For that as well, we will go to the ChatGPT and we'll ask the ChatGPT to give us, make it as a short description and write me the description as points. Now as you can see, the points has been generated. We'll copy this pointed short description, we'll paste it in here. After that, we'll configure the product image. Let's upload an image. Upload. From here we will configure the main product image, which is product featured image. Let's select the file. So this is our product featured image. Now we will configure the product gallery. We will upload some multiple products for the gallery. So our product image has been uploaded for the gallery. We'll add to these images to the gallery. Now we will select product categories. For example, these categories will be accessories, and if we would like to add new categories, we can do that from here as well. For example, toys, and add new category. So toys has been added. Now if we would like to add product tags, we can do that from here. For example, tags will be the dartboard, and we will hit enter. Dart, magnetic, and we will hit enter. This way we will able to add product tags. For the product brand, for example, it's a custom brand. In this way we will able to add new brand as well. After configuring all these things, if we would like to preview before we publish the product, we can do that from here as well. As you can see, this is the preview of our product. It's fine and simple. So now we will hit publish. So product has been published. If you click view product, this is the view of the product. As you can see, the short description, as you can see the long description as well. So this is how easy it is to create a simple product in WooCommerce. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you never miss the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one.